Hello, today we have our steam machines. This is the Tekna 4.5 bar machine, and we also have the Athena 8 bar. They both come with a very wide selection of accessories which can be used for so many different cleaning tasks. Today I just want to briefly go over the attachments that can be used for cleaning vertical surfaces and also countertops, smaller areas. And for that we have our attachment nozzle here. It's a 6-inch attachment which connects to both the vacuum and the steam at the handle here. That locks on, and we can then use 3 different attachments. We have our 6-inch brush, which is excellent for scrubbing tasks when you've got really stuck in dirt and stains. And we also have our 8-inch squeegee here with a brush. That's really good for scrubbing and vacuuming on a variety of surfaces. That can also be replaced by the 6-inch blade. This here is brilliant for smaller areas, vertical surfaces such as windows, and like our panelling we've got here. We've had a little bit of an accident, so let's see what we can do to clean it up. We've got the steam here which we activate with the trigger, and also the vacuum here activated by the button on the back. Very effective, as you can see, and that's using just steam. There's no detergent used there, although on these machines, both the Tekna and Athena, we do have the facility to use detergent in with the steam, which gives you that extra cleaning power. Thanks for watching today.